Man loyo gi sets adek kuom nono tuke mag 5 madhi nyime e piny mar Thailand. Tim Kenya matugo tuke volleyball magwa keni Malkia Strikers geno matimo maber e tukgi makiny. Malkia Strikers ma itawo gi kocha Geoffrey Omondi biro rakore gi joloch kokalo e tuke mag Europe Poland kiny. Poland nomako thuolo mar adek e chung' mar timbe pinje mangima biro bedo mapek ne Malkia Strikers kama kamano. Omondi nitiere kod geno ne nyidende ma Kenya nigi thuolo mar nyiso kit tugo makare kendo yudo duoko maber.
Our first game was yesterday. We were proud of the results, yes, though it's not what we expected, to the fullest, but whatever we gave in, that's what we had for that time. But we promised that going forward, we are going to work so hard because tomorrow we are facing Poland, and Poland, of course, is a good team. So for us, we're just going to work on the small mistakes that we did towards the German team so that maybe we'll be able to deliver a different kind of result.
Well, the girls realize that what we tell them can work. They realize it's possible to beat these teams. So they are more motivated because they want more of those games. They want more of those matches. They want to experiment more on what we have trained on because they realize a number of things are working for us. We only need to work on the finishing. That's what has let us down in the previous match. We still want to push point by point. We are not going to give Poland an easy time. And if they are not careful, tutapita na wao.